Welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Happy New Year! With this video, I've created the best things that I think that you can buy at IKEA so you know they're going to be reasonably priced and efficient to help you get organized for 2022. Let's go. I really don't make a lot of New Year resolutions. I try to focus on the overall goal of organizing, declutter, and focusing on things that is going to make my life better. What can I do to improve so that next year, 2022, is far better than 2021? What do I want out of life? What are my goals? What are my dreams? What are my aspirations? And then I say, okay, well, what I did in 2021, is it helping me get to that mark? Organization is a fundamental must. It is a must for me in order to achieve those goals. So this video is going to talk about 10 items that are at or listed at IKEA that I think are wonderful. They are affordable and they look great. Okay, first, I know that I'm going to butcher most of the names for these items, but I will list each thing in the description box. So that way you don't have to be too alarmed by the way that I say the name. But number one, drawer dividers. You can use these dividers in a cabinet. You can use them in a drawer. I absolutely love them because they're plastic. I utilize these dividers anywhere that I'm going to store anything wet, okay, or anything that has potential to get wet or to spill. So i.e. toothpaste, perfume, makeup, any of your makeup removers, lotion. I could use them inside of the pantry where I have my oils or in a cabinet area. Any place that there's wet, I like the plastic one so that it doesn't seep through. It will not ruin the surface of the cabinet. Number two, the UptoTerra Dividers. Love these. These are great underneath the cabinet. They're good for casserole dishes. You can put your pots and pans, plates. The prongs are placed inside and you can make them the size of the plate if that's what you want to surround, or you can make them the size of the pot. They will keep your dishes organized, stacked, especially the tops. We hate those. I hate those because they fall all through the cabinet, but this particular organizer will keep them steady and you can stack them on top. You can place them horizontal if you choose to. I love this. Number three, the reusable silicone cover. This thing is genius because when you're putting things away in the refrigerator, so this is refrigerator safe, it's dishwasher safe. When you're putting things away, how many times can we not find the tops to the containers? Unless you have enough cabinet space where you can store your containers and the tops and stack them on top. I don't have that amount of space. This silicone cover is perfect. It stretches to the size of whatever dish that you're utilizing or whatever dish that you're trying to cover something in. It is absolutely wonderful and I love it. You can buy 2 or 3 of these and they replace all of the tops that you have, especially if you have a casserole dish. And sometimes we don't necessarily want to clean out the casserole dish. We want to just place it in the refrigerator. This is what this top is for. Stretch the silicone to the size of that dish, sit it in the refrigerator, and you're done. The drap plate. Again, I'm going to link this in the description box. Although this thing is meant to put in a refrigerator, okay, it is something that you can use in your cabinet. To me, it's like the lazy Susan of the refrigerator. It is super, super inexpensive. You can place it in the refrigerator. You can put it in your cabinet. It's so beautiful that you can even sit it on top of the countertop and just spin things around. Or you can place it next to your stove. I have mine in the refrigerator, but there are tons of other ways that you can actually use this. Now, this Brogan container, it's wonderful for storage. It looks amazing. You can sit it out in an open shelf or you can put it away in a cabinet. What's wonderful is the lid that's on top, it's white. The container is see-through, so you can see the items that you're placing inside of it. But more importantly, guys, you can stack them up. So you talk about a space saver. I don't want to look for things, and I love having my cotton balls, Q-tips, anything that I need my hands on right away and I don't want to have to go to a drawer. I can stack them on top of the counter and they look amazing. Or you can put these on top of a shelf and they look amazing. This is going to keep you very, very organized in the morning when we don't have a lot of time and we're trying to hurry up and get out the door. Next up, guys, are these beautiful contemporary spice jars. I love having the spice jars right there next to when I'm cooking. And depending on your setup in your kitchen area, I had to travel all the way to the pantry where I was keeping my spices, but now they're right next to the stove because look at the beautiful jars that are available at IKEA. And they're super, super inexpensive. I just love the clear glass. Right now they have the stainless steel top and they're absolutely wonderful. Full disclosure, I just got my spice jars like 2 years ago. I never really wanted a traditional spice rack sitting on top of my counter. I just want to see things on top of the counter that are necessary. So now that IKEA has these spice jars, I think it's absolutely wonderful because I can place them in the drawer, pull out the drawer when I need them, and close the drawer up. Every single time I go in this section in IKEA, they get me. And it is the basket section. There is such a large section for baskets in IKEA, it's like unbelievable. But they've gotten better at it, and they've got some ones that look pretty good in terms of decor. They have different type of baskets for everybody, every type of basket, and you can use them for toys. You can use them for shoes. You can use them for blankets, throws, pillows. I just think that having baskets or these type of baskets around would be great because you can tuck them away and they look really nice. I utilize them throughout my house. I have them in my office. I have them in the family room where you can put pillows inside of. And it just keeps me organized because I change out pillows often. And if you like me and you're changing out pillows for the season, I want to make sure that I'm able to pull them out. I don't want to have to go to the garage and pull them out that way. So I keep them in baskets. The pillowcases are actually in a basket, and then I push the basket away. It's very, very simple. If you want to leave the baskets out, there are some great baskets that they have, and you can just leave them sitting out on the floor, next to a sofa, next to a chair. Place a throw inside of it, and they look wonderful. This is a great organizing tip here. Get you some baskets. Put away things, declutter your space. The final item for today is the IKEA pack system. I know a lot of people use them for closets, but you can use them for so many other areas. You can put them in your laundry room. They're small enough where you can actually have a tower. Do you know how much space and storage that you can add to your laundry room with just one simple pack system that you can either put in between the washer and dryer on the right or the left? So I think it would be great for that. Not only in your laundry room, guys, in your garage, the system is strong enough where it can hold things. In the garage area, if you want to create storage where you have your overflow for laundry, for bathroom tissue, paper towels, anything extra that you don't have space for in the house, move it out. Move that out, place that in the garage, and use this pack system for that. To me, it's very affordable. It's less expensive than calling out like Closet World. Check out the pack system. Check that system out before you spend oogles and oogles of money. Well, if you made it to this far in the video, you like the content, so please go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this in terms of decor, design, organization, subscribe. I would love to have you join the community. Until next time, make every day a great day.